A building surveyor in Manesar plays a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for assessing the condition and quality of buildings, ensuring that they meet the necessary safety and regulatory standards. A building surveyor is trained to identify any defects or potential issues in a building structure or design, and provide recommendations for repairs or improvements. In Manesar, where there is a booming construction sector, the services of a building surveyor are in high demand. They are often hired by architects, contractors, and property owners to ensure that their buildings are safe, durable, and compliant with local regulations. One important aspect of building surveying in Manesar is Scon design. Scon design refers to the layout and arrangement of scons, which are decorative wall fixtures that provide both lighting and aesthetic appeal. A well-designed scon can enhance the overall ambience and visual appeal of a building. It is the responsibility of a building surveyor to ensure that the scon design is not only visually pleasing but also functional and safe. They will consider factors such as the location, size, and type of scon to be installed, as well as the wiring and electrical requirements. By working closely with architects and interior designers, a building surveyor can help create scon designs that meet both the client's aesthetic preferences and the necessary safety standards. When it comes to building surveying in Manesar, hiring a qualified and experienced professional is essential. A building surveyor should have in-depth knowledge of local building codes and regulations, as well as a strong understanding of construction principles and practices. They should also possess excellent communication and problem-solving skills, as they will often need to collaborate with architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the construction process. In Manesar, a building surveyor is essential to the construction sector. They are in charge of evaluating the state and caliber of structures to make sure they adhere to the appropriate safety and legal requirements. A building surveyor is qualified to find any flaws or possible problems in the construction or design of a building and make suggestions for fixing them. Building surveyors are in high demand in Manesar because of the city's thriving construction industry. They are frequently employed by architects, builders, and property owners to guarantee that their structures are secure, long-lasting, and in compliance with local laws. Scon design is a crucial component of building surveying in Manesar. Scons are decorative wall devices that provide lighting and aesthetic appeal. Scon design refers to the positioning and arrangement of scons. A well-designed scon can improve a building's ambience and aesthetic appeal overall. A building surveyor is in charge of making sure that the scon design is not only aesthetically beautiful, but also practical and secure. They will take into account things like the installation's location, size, and type of scon, as well as the wiring and electrical needs. They should also be effective communicators and problem solvers